Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. If it is not working, to switch between accounts, if it may be given to you will not switch to accounts for a long time. So you need to add that in this account again. And I have to work switching between accounts. That means in order to switch to that in this account, as I connected the accounts, I can need to log out of work. Then it is possible to switch to add another account. So I want to log out from that particular account, so that I add that particular account which is not switching with. Then you can add that particular account to which you want to switch. Which is not switching. You have created already. So log into that particular Pinterest account which is not switching. Then you will be able to switch that into Pinterest account. So now you can switch to that particular account. In this way you can fix switching between those problem in Pinterest account. It is due to not switching to that particular account for a long time. Subscribe button and